FM World, my name is Joanna Brzezińska. Welcome to the second presentation of the new FM World Product Catalogue number 33. We are very glad that you like the new format of the official launch of our new products and appreciate all your reactions and comments in social media. This premiere of the catalogue number 33 was the most viewed FM World video in the history of our company. Rest assured that we will do our best to make next presentations equally attractive. In the first presentation of the latest catalogue, we introduced you to, among others, probiotic cleaning products with the eco-friendly label and konjac superfood recommended by the Fit6 program. In a moment, you will learn about more new products in the catalogue number 33. And, as promised, together with this presentation, cover of the catalogue section with newly introduced products will also change. I won't keep you in the dark any longer. We received a lot of positive feedback on our photo shoot and the first two covers. The third cover is also designed in green and gold shades. These are the dominant colors of our latest new products. Optimal nutrition, firming, regeneration and reduction of wrinkles are the foundations of mature skincare. The luxury series Gold Regenesis was launched to meet its requirements and needs. There will be two new products added to the Gold Regenesis series. Today, I would like to present to you Shimmering Body Oil.
Gold Regenesis. Gold Regenesis Shimmering Body Oil. The skin becomes radiant, silky soft and moisturized for a long time. Coming straight from nature, this oil extracted from the seeds of ripe grapes regenerates and nourishes the skin. Vitamin E reduces the aging process. Sweet almond oil improves elasticity, and sunflower oil strengthens the lipid barrier and shows a normalizing effect. Gold particles beautifully emphasize the skin tone. Gold Regenesis.
Gold Regenesis Shimmering Body Oil is not the only new product brushed with the gold color. You will also find this color on product labels in our latest cosmetic line, in which there is one addition with the hint of gold. Ladies and gentlemen, perfumed body sprays. Perfumed body spray leaves a captivating scent on the skin that lasts for a long time. It is perfect as an alternative to perfumes or a cosmetic intensifying their aroma. Its scent resembles the most beautiful pure oil compositions.
A captivating scent on the skin? Then it must be the new line of perfumed cosmetics, perfumed body spray for women. Fresh notes of Italian mandarins, vibrant pink pepper and peppermint add some elegance and freshness to the men's fragrance. For men. And in the unisex version, there are also clearly noticeable notes inspired by orange, saffron, cinnamon, and what else? Check yourself. Unisex. Perfumed body spray.
Manuka honey is said to be the healthiest honey in the world. No wonder, as it is a true richness of vitamins, minerals, sugars and flavonoids that benefits both the organism and skin, moisturizing, smoothing, soothing and revitalizing it. It is unique not only due to its properties but also due to the manner of obtaining it. This precious component is found in the nectar and pollen of flowers of tea trees growing solely in New Zealand. Hello Honey collection is joined by two new products with Manuka honey. Ladies and gents, I give you natural sugar body scrub and natural body pudding.
Manuka honey is a healthy dose of minerals, vitamins, and sugars which moisturize, smooth, soothe, and revitalize the skin. Shea butter and almond oil contained in the sugar body scrub prevent stretch marks and regenerate the epidermis. Natural sugar body scrub. Whereas natural body pudding is a daily cocktail of ingredients for a youthful appearance. Beneficial lychees and coconut oil slow down skin aging, and avocado oil improves its tension. For use in the morning and evening. The new products of the Hello Honey Manuka line.
At a previous meeting, we presented to you 5 new Pure Royal fragrances. Now is the time to reveal next ones. Green and gold? Yes, let's discover more new fragrances in the Pure Royal unisex line.
Pure Royal number 914 is a perfume filled with sparkling accords, which create a refreshing aura with a note of lovely sweetness. Fragrance notes: head, bergamot, green notes, salty notes, heart, sage, fruity notes, floral notes, base, woody notes, amber, musk. Pure Royal number 915 is a sweet and juicy fragrance, however not queasy, on the contrary, very light and charmingly ethereal. Fragrance notes: head, hyacinth, dianthus, heart, lily of the valley, jasmine, wild rose, base, white amber, musk. Pure Royal number 919 is a dignified and uniquely expressive fragrance combination, lightened with the notes of citrus, jasmine, and white tea. Fragrance notes: lime, basil, lemon, heart, jasmine, lavender, white tea, base, oak moss, vetiver, musk, ambergris. Pure Royal number 920 surprises with a juxtaposition of floral and oriental notes, as well as enraptures with elusiveness and captivates with its wild nature. Fragrance notes: head, pink pepper, incense, rose, heart, leather, red fruit, saffron, base, peach, oud, amber. Pure Royal number 921 is a fragrant dose of energy, filled with the notes of dazzling flowers and fresh fruits. Fragrance notes: head, mandarin, calamondin, orange, heart, hibiscus, lotus flower, orange flower, jasmine, base, vanilla, cistus, cedarwood, honey.
Another set of new products in the catalogue number 33 has been disclosed. From now on, catalogue with these products unveiled is available on our branches' websites. Let's see what it looks like. Before we say goodbye, I would like to remind you and invite you all to participate in our November challenge, FM Dreamers, because dreams come true.
November this year may be special for you. Everyone has a dream that can come true. Make a wish. FM Dreamers, we make dreams come true. This November for FM World Business Partners. FM Dreamers, when dreams become reality. FM Dreamers, coming soon. Dream with us.
We start from November the 1st, so stay tuned and let's have fun together and let's dream. For more details, please check our website at www.fmworld.com as well as our branches websites. Dear partners, this is all we have prepared for you in this second presentation of the catalogue number 33. But, of course, that is not all that awaits you in the official launch of the latest catalogue. Stay tuned, follow our website and social media, and I look forward to seeing you soon in the third catalogue premiere episode.